Ahoy, shipmates, Facebookers, YouTubers, and anybody else in the whole dang world. Captain Jack here. Billy Bones the parrot and his wife and little Billy Bones Jr. back up there on the thing. This is a little short video about when they delivered my new workshop. I went down to the building people and I looked at a 16 by 20 building, but they had it outfitted like a house, little windows and people doors and stuff like that. Told them I didn't want that. I gave them the measurements that I wanted so I can get my 600 series John Deere's in there, 1200 series John Deere's. I can't get my 740 in there, but I can get in my Farmall Cub, and I might be able to get in my 8N tractor, but it'll be real close. So I did that. I wanted a door here and a door there so I can come in two different ways. And I had them put in the extra flooring so I can get about 500 to 750 pounds per square inch on the flooring. So I'll have, that weight factor when I jack something up. So here's that video. It's not very much, but it's the first video I put up in about a year. And I'm going to try to get into putting up all these tons of videos I've got. Y'all have a super day out there, and please, please stay safe. Adios.